the KingMa 330W laptop charger. This one uses the GaN technology, so it's more compact than the charger that came with my laptop. And it's more compact than most chargers that come with laptops because most chargers are not using the GaN technology. And this is a very premium laptop. And unfortunately, when I was traveling, I lost my charger, and because I didn't have the charger, I had to stay on eco mode or balance mode. I couldn't use performance or unleash mode because that's a limitation of my laptop. Even though my laptop can use USB-C charging, I needed a power adapter that can fulfill the 330-watt power to my laptop. But the advantage of this is not only will it provide 330 watt, it's also going to be more compact as well. So it's very compact. So if you compare this to a traditional 330 watt power adapter, you can see right away, this is extremely compact. And it has the XT60 port as well as a USB-A port and a USB-C port, so you can have other devices charged from it. But I'm probably just going to use the XT60 port because I want to get the full 330 watt to my laptop. So in the box, it does come with accessories. So you can see the rest of the accessories here. As you would imagine, one of it is the power cable. So this will connect over here, and then it will allow me to connect this to an outlet. And I like that the length is not too long because I don't want a very long power cord. The whole point of having something very compact is perfect for travel. And this, it would be nice if it can stand. Let me see if they actually come with some kind of stand. Oh, it does. So it comes with a stand. So here we can stand it up like this. That's really convenient. And then we have access to the ports here. And each KingMa comes with a specific connector that you need to specify for your laptop. Since we have this one, I specified the specific size for my laptop. You see that connector right there? It's very unique. In fact, I got the wrong one before. That's how I know to get the correct one. So this is the one for my laptop specifically. You see right here, this one is designed for this model right there. And it'll tell you the size of this, and you'll get the one that matches the size for your laptop. That's very important, otherwise it simply will not work. So let's see if we can connect it to our laptop, and let me see if I can finally get back to the unleash mode and the performance mode, which I have not been able to do since I have lost my power adapter. So this is the XT port, and it can only connect in one way, so it only goes in this way, as you can see, and push that in all the way. And then this one has a good amount of length, and we're going to go ahead and connect it to the laptop. So I'm going to turn this laptop to the side here, and we'll plug this in the back of the laptop right here. And will it fit? Yes, it's a perfect fit. All right, so we've connected to our laptop. It fits perfectly as we expect. And now let's see if we can go to the power mode of unleash. Will it work? Oh, enabled. It lets us go to unleash. And there we go. Fan speed picking up, CPU ramping up, because we are going to go to a performance and unleash mode. And this is exactly what I need. And this is super compact. And this is actually a benefit now that I have something so compact, because it's easier to travel with, yet it still provides me with that 330 watt I need to get that performance or unleash mode. That's super convenient. Well, there we go. That's the KingMa 330 watt awesome charger right here. Perfect for a high performance gaming laptop or any serious laptop that needs 330 watt power supply. It's a very compact solution. And also, just so that you know, before I found out that I need the power adapter, when I used the USB charging for my laptop, it actually performed slower than when I unplugged it. And just a little bit of something I learned is that the performance laptop can handle quite a bit of power just on battery and run really well on battery. But when you start charging it with a USB-C power supply, the performance is limited to whatever that USB-C is able to provide. That's why when I unplugged it from USB-C, it actually performed better on pure battery. But now with the correct laptop charger, it's going to perform super well, because as you can see, unleash and performance mode is now re-enabled with this awesome KingMa 330 watt GaN laptop charger right here.